Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. In this video, we're going to be going over the removal of salt and pepper noise on an image in Matlab. As always, I'll have a link down below where you can find this code on my website. So let's just get started. We'll read in an image. Cameraman. We'll add a label. We'll add some noise. I am noise. I am salt and pepper. We'll add the intensity value. Create a subplot. 2, 3, 1. We'll add a label. Salt and pepper. And now we'll show a couple different denoising techniques. So the first one will be using an average filtering method. So that is filter 2. And again, these are built-in functions for the image processing toolbox in Matlab. F special, average, noise IM, and 255. That's the pixel value. Oops. And then you can go ahead and 2, 3, 2. I am show denoise 1. And then we'll add an X label and just say average filtering. And then the next method will be a median filter. And that is med 2 filt. Nope, sorry, I mixed that up. Med filt 2. And then we'll just add noise IM. Just copy this. And then that's median filtering. And then we'll do Gaussian filtering. Copy and paste that. Noise 3. Gaussian filtering. The next is going to be rank order filtering. So that's ord filt. Yeah, filt 2. Noise IM. Ones 3. We'll copy and paste this, and then do rank order filtering. And then our last one will be Wiener Filtering. So that's Wiener 2. Again, you call the original image. Then 9 by 9. And again, you could do other values here. 3 by 3, whatever. Subplot 2, 3, 6. I'm show denoise 5. X label Wiener filter ring. Alright, so now let's go ahead and run that and see which one works the best. Alright, so original image, and these are with the filtering. So it looks like the median filtering performs the best on the salt and pepper noise, followed by the rank order filtering. That one's pretty good. The other ones are pretty blurry, so in this case I would go with the median or rank order filtering. And that's how you